Do you want to increase your channel insights and understand what kind of content people actually love to watch? Do you want to research trending videos before everyone else starts copying them? Maybe you want to build a re-upload channel, but you're confused about which videos have real viral potential. Or maybe you've uploaded many videos already, but the views still don't move. If that sounds like you, then this video can help. Today I'm going to show you one powerful tool that many creators use to find winning content ideas, discover trends early, analyze competitors, and grow faster on YouTube. That tool is VidIQ. So make sure you watch until the end, because this guide can completely change the way you research content. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to research viral videos on YouTube using VidIQ step by step, from creating your account all the way to using its best features to find winning video ideas. If you're struggling to get views, running out of content ideas, or wondering why some channels grow so fast, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, what exactly is VidIQ? VidIQ is a tool designed to help YouTube creators grow faster. It gives you insights about keywords, trending topics, competitors, search volume, SEO scores, and many other useful analytics. Instead of guessing what kind of videos people want to watch, VidIQ helps you use real data. That means smarter content ideas, better titles, stronger keywords, and more chances to go viral. Now let me show you how to create your account. First, open your browser and go to the official VidIQ website. Click the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your Google account, especially the same Google account connected to your YouTube channel. This makes the setup process much easier. After logging in, VidIQ may ask permission to connect with your YouTube account. Just approve it. Once connected, you'll enter the dashboard, and that's it. Your account is ready. Even the free version gives you enough tools to start researching viral content. Once you're inside, connect your channel if it hasn't connected automatically. This allows VidIQ to analyze your channel performance, including views, subscribers, watch time, and ranking opportunities. You'll also receive personalized recommendations based on your niche. For example, if your channel is about gaming, motivation, finance, or shorts content, VidIQ can suggest topics related to those categories. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features, keyword research. Inside VidIQ, look for the keyword tool. Let's say your niche is gaming. You can type something like Roblox Update Minecraft Survival, Best Mobile Games 2026. VidIQ will show search volume competition score overall keyword score. Related keyword ideas. This is extremely useful. You want to target keywords with high search volume and low competition. That's where new creators have the best chance to rank and get views quickly. Instead of uploading random videos, now you're making strategic videos. Now let's move to the most exciting part. How do we find viral videos? Go to the Daily Ideas or Trending section. VidIQ often recommends trending topics based on your channel niche. Look at their most viewed videos, recently uploaded videos, titles that perform well, thumbnails that attract clicks, topics repeated multiple times. If a creator makes 3 videos about one topic and all of them get strong views, that usually means the audience loves that topic. Do not copy them exactly. Instead, create your own version with a better title, better hook, better editing, or different perspective. Success leaves clues. Let's say you already found a viral topic. Now use VidIQ to improve your title. VidIQ can score your title and suggest stronger keywords. For example, bad title, funny Roblox game. Better title, this new Roblox game is going viral right now. See the difference? The second title creates curiosity and uses stronger searchable words. VidIQ can also help with tags and descriptions, which improve discoverability. Even if your topic is great, nobody clicks bad thumbnails. Study thumbnails from viral creators in your niche. Ask yourself what emotion is shown. Is the text simple? Are colors bright? Is there curiosity? Is the subject clear? Use VidIQ insights together with common sense. CTR, or click-through rate, is very important. If people don't click, YouTube won't push your video further. Let me give you a simple daily routine using VidIQ every day. Spend 10 minutes checking trending topics. Search 3 keywords in your niche. Analyze 2 competitor channels. Save 5 content ideas. Upload at least 1 video consistently. If you repeat this process daily, your ideas will never run out. And your chances of hitting a viral video become much higher. Many people ask, is the free version enough? My answer is yes, especially for beginners. The free version already gives keyword ideas, basic analytics, competitor insights, daily recommendations. If your channel starts growing and earning money, then upgrading can be worth it. But don't wait for premium tools to start. Execution matters more than tools. Here's the truth. VidIQ does not make videos viral by itself. It simply gives you better direction. You still need good content, strong hook in first seconds. Good editing, clear audio consistency. Use VidIQ as your compass, not as magic. Creators who combine data plus action usually win. So that's how to research viral YouTube videos using VidIQ from start to finish. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to
And before we end this video, I want to leave you with one important message. A lot of people think growing on YouTube is all about luck. They believe viral videos happen randomly. But honestly, most successful creators grow because they understand what people want to watch. That's why research is so important. Instead of uploading videos blindly and hoping something works, you should start using data to guide your content strategy. And that's exactly where VidIQ becomes useful. It helps you understand trends faster, discover opportunities earlier, and avoid wasting time making videos nobody is searching for. But remember this carefully. VidIQ is only a tool. The tool does not make you successful automatically. You still need creativity. You still need consistency. And most importantly, you need action. Because many people watch tutorials like this every single day, but only a small percentage actually apply what they learn. So after finishing this video, don't just close YouTube and forget everything. Open VidIQ. Start researching. Study trending topics. Analyze successful channels in your niche. And try creating content based on real audience demand. Even if your first videos don't perform well, keep going. Every successful YouTuber started with low views at some point. The difference is they kept learning, improving, and uploading consistently. Another important thing I want to mention is this. Don't focus too much on copying viral content exactly. Instead, understand why the video became viral. Was it the title? The thumbnail? The topic? The timing? The emotion? Or maybe the first few seconds of the video? When you understand the reason behind viral videos, you'll start creating better content naturally. And over time, your own style will become stronger. Also, don't underestimate small improvements. Sometimes changing only the title or thumbnail can completely change your video performance. That's why research and optimization matter so much on YouTube. Now imagine this. What happens if you upload consistently for the next 3 months while using proper research every day? Your content ideas become better. Your thumbnails improve. Your titles become more clickable. Your audience understands your content more clearly. Eventually, the algorithm starts recognizing your channel. And once one video performs well, it can bring traffic to your other videos too. That's how many channels suddenly explode in growth. Not because of luck alone, but because of consistent, smart strategy. So whether you are building a gaming channel, a shorts channel, a music channel, a re-upload channel, or even a faceless content channel. Research should become part of your daily routine. The creators who understand audience behavior usually grow much faster than creators who only guess. And the best part is, you can start today, even with the free version. You don't need expensive equipment first. You don't need millions of subscribers first. You just need the willingness to learn and improve. So hopefully this tutorial helped you understand how to use VidIQ more effectively and how to research viral content the smart way. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials about YouTube growth, content strategy, and online creator tips. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I read the comments and I'll try to help as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.